Okay, here's the third one. So it says, from a point A, a man observes the angle of elevation of the summit of a hill. I've got this long thing. Here's the hill. I'll put hill is 10 degrees. So he's over here. And then it says, then he walks towards the hill for 500 meters and along flat ground, and then he now notices the summit of the hill is at an angle of elevation of 14 degrees. So I've got a right angled triangle here. I'm looking for the height of this hill. I'll call it H. Okay, and all I can do now really is find a bunch of angles. If I want to find this angle here, this has to add up to 180, so these two have to add up to 90, so that's 76 degrees. And then this is on a straight line, so this is 166 degrees. And now I can see in this triangle, if I needed to, that when I add these up, I get 180, so this has to be 4 degrees. And now, try not to put 4 degrees in there, yeah. And now, since I just have, this is like the only side I have, and I need a side, I'm going to use, I guess, sine rule. So I can use the 10 to get this side, I'll call it x, and then I'll be within that triangle. So I'm going to try to get that side so that I can be in that triangle to get the hill. So I'll get that side. So I'll go x over sine 10 equals 500 over sine 4. I don't really need those brackets, but that's okay. And so x equals, here we go, 500 divided by sine of 4 times, times sine 10. I get 1244.7. That's this side. So it's getting a little bit crowded in there, so I'm just going to draw this right angled triangle. Makes sense that it's a lot bigger than 400, I guess, or 500. Because it's across from a bigger angle, a lot bigger angle. And then I have this, and I have 14, and I have 76, and I want this h. So I'm going to go in a right triangle. I can use SOHCAHTOA. So I'm going to go sine of 14 equals opposite over hypotenuse. So I go, okay, that's 1244.7. You can see, times sine of 14 degrees is going to equal h. 12447, dot 7 times sine 14. H equals 301.12. So that's an easy one. I'd say therefore the height of the hill is that. That's it.